Are you ready to compose your digital collage but don't know where to start? Hi, this is Chelsea from Digital Art Teacher, and in this video we're going to talk about how to decide where to put all your cutouts within your collage. No matter what kind of art you prefer, you should know that there are some strategies that you can use to help you create interesting artwork, designs, or images. These strategies might be called elements or principles or possibly rules of composition. So let's take a look at those. For this project, we'll focus on movement and proportion. For a collage, it's easy to just slap a bunch of stuff on your canvas and call it done. But it's a good idea to have a collage that has the evidence of both movement and proportion throughout the page. Now, when I say that your collage needs movement, I mean that you need to plan out where you want your viewer's eye to travel as they gaze at your collage. If your subject is on the left side of the page, you might have them facing toward the right and looking at the things that are on the canvas, which helps the viewer's eye to travel to the other elements. This is the case for Christian Barthold's collage in his Fight for Democracy series. Notice how not only the figures are watching the TV, but the other partial images are also facing in toward the left. You can see these lines that are created to help us look into that television with the mouth. And so the lines combined with the figures facing to the left help the viewer look in toward that TV. And I'll let you draw your own conclusion as to what the artist is trying to say with the mouth sticking out of the TV. As for proportion, collage is all about adjusting and messing with proportions. This is the time to make something large, like say a tiger, and place it next to something small, perhaps a cup of cherries. And you do this either to show a point or just because you think that it will look cool. In this image by Mia Chavez Corzo, the combination of these unlikely items makes me think about the way that a woman can be as sweet as a cherry, but with the bravery of a tiger. The more you mess with proportions, the more strange and out of this world your collage will look. One technique you may want to use is to create a floating collage. This means that no part of your collage bleeds off the page. This can sometimes be helpful because it makes arranging your items more simple and gives it a more clean look. The artist Becha uses this technique in his collage for the magazine cover in Serbia. All of the white space around the collage helps the mind to focus on the subject better. You may already have an idea or two about what you want to do to arrange your photos as you cut them out for your collage. But spend some time viewing the other artists' work and get some ideas for how you want to compose your individual photos that you've cut out for your collage that you want to create. It never hurts to take a look at the work of others for inspiration. You never know what you'll find. You may find a technique or a style that you really love and want to recreate. Once you've taken a look at these artists, you might check the next video on how to actually arrange your photos to make a good composition in Photoshop. I'll see you there.